Ciao. Hi guys, how are you doing? How is life? How is everything? Uh, my name is Benard, as you already know. Uh, there's a brief I would like to give. Something so simple but touching somewhere, somehow. I was born and raised in Uganda. So the couple of years I've spent in Uganda, there are things I used to not do. Like I can't do such type of work. Who can see me doing that? I cannot do that. But having flown somewhere else, I've come to realize if something gives you what to put into your stomach, you have to value it. However bad it is, by the way, you have to appreciate whatever you have, because that's what God has favored you into to reach some goals. So never see somebody's work as something, oh my God, I can't do that. Who can see me cleaning the toilets? Who can see me? Oh no, I can't do that. Just know the jobs you do reject are the jobs here that have given some people chances to get better jobs. So you cannot just start on top. No, as you hear some of our fellows, some of our elders tell us that we have started doing this something, like we did start with something very little. I started by doing this, but something was so small. Later on, God raised them. So what I'm saying, you should not undermine work, and you should not undermine somebody's work. Don't talk bad. Don't speak bad to someone's job. And those that you really say, oh God, that guy is so great, I admire that woman, they did not start that way. Maybe they were rich, or it's a government official, whatever. Our dad has some money, I just transferred from this place to this place, like by chance. But for you, you know yourself, you know your background. There are things you cannot afford at the moment. You need to start from zero. So guys in Uganda, my fellows who are in Uganda, and you look to yourself like you cannot do such type of work, at all cleaning at all, you cannot do anything, just know you are together. Because when you come this side, that's when your vision will be open. That's when you will know, of course, if I can do this. No. And actually, just take out that mentality. There's no one knowing you here. That's why chitugumya for cola or whatever it is, much cola, as long as it brings something to you. But you can't chikuletera akasente. Why do you chinegeri? No, nzajja agenda nga ntandika njagala kubeera mu office. You want collar jobs. Nebagamba no, tulina emirimu gy'abakirina abagenda okubanga bakirininga matoyi, agenda okubanga bagenda no, sitikola ebyo abantu abatya bakulaba batya abeena bakumanye. People in these countries don't know you, tebakumanye. So no, Rachel, you have to do anything kubanga teri akumanye. Nekira byogenda okukozesa sente zo teri yeetaaga kumanya. Anyway, gwo olina embwetaavu, bosi be bali mugundi mu bwetaavu kubanga bo balina sente yaabwe, bali willing okugigaba, naye ate bw'obalaga nti weetaaga, y'ensonga lwaki bakubonyaabonya ne bw'oba ozzeemu, kitegeere. So nolwekyo you have to respect someone's job, you have to respect your job too. Teweteekamu kali kansonga banze ebyo sibikola naawe. Banda baba tonina diguli yange, of course ojja tuula nayo ebbanga liwole liyiteko nga teri naakuwadde mulimu ne diguli yange otudde nayo. So please, if you get a chance of living somewhere nga ofunye omulimo ogukuwa ku sente, genda okole, go and work. Just know one day, one moment, God will open a door for you for a bigger thing you really want. Okay? Kabatulemu ako mu linnya erya Yesu Kristo omwana wa Katonda. Mbagala nnyo because I always find it easier to talk to you on such things.